Good morning. It's Saturday morning here in the gym, and we've got the active rest day. And on Saturdays we do AbBurner. So AbBurner is a 1 minute, 15 1-minute core exercises. It's a Pilates routine, so they're Pilates moves, and it's all core exercises. So you're getting a good ab workout and good core stability. And I started out earlier this year. Probably 5-6 months ago, picked up the AbBurner. I'd been doing it a couple of years ago and then picked it up again, and I was having a hard time making it the full minute for each one, so I reduced it down to 30 seconds to make it manageable, and then I increased by 5 seconds every 2 or 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and until I got back to a minute. I've been doing a minute for except for these last 2 weeks, I've been doing a minute intervals for probably 7-8 weeks, and so now we've been off for 2 weeks. I'm not sure how we're gonna feel about the 1 minute, so we're gonna do the 1 minute today and see where we're at. I'm gonna continue doing the 1 minute. I'm not going back down to 30 seconds. 2 weeks isn't enough time off to justify that, because I don't think I'm gonna be that far back, but pretty sure there's gonna be a couple moves that are gonna struggle with a little bit, maybe have to put down and take a break, but maybe not. We'll see what happens. So we've got this AbBurner routine. Then we'll head out on a walk. Not sure if I'm gonna do a jog today or not. We're gonna be moving, helping some folks move. Actually, my kiddos, they got a house, and we're gonna help them move from their duplex into their to the new house. So I get plenty of work doing that. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the jog portion or if I'm just gonna go out and walk. So anyway, welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. We got this longevity training. Let's get her done so we can meet age with grace. And then we'll head out on a walk, like I say. We'll come back and chat. So let's do this. Let's hit it. All right, so Saturday's AbBurner is done. So how'd it go? Not too bad. Actually, I was able to finish all the moves. Probably took a little bit, maybe a couple second more break in between the moves. It's not all of them, just the ones I knew that were coming up, like the lower lift. I think I moved right into the lower lift, but the 100 I kind of dallied down into the 100, maybe a couple seconds between the move before it and it. So, but all in all, went pretty good. I was pretty happy with the AbBurner routine. So, yeah, we got her done. We're gonna stick it a minute. That'll only get better. So, and I went for the walk, but couldn't help it. I went and did the jogs. I did my 3 jog splits just like normal. So ended up 10 minute pace per mile, I think. So, yeah, not bad. Pretty happy with that. I think yesterday I built up on the last one. On this one I built up. Definitely on the second one and third one. I thought about it on the first one, but I wasn't feeling it. Built up a little bit in the last like 50 yards or so, but on the second and third intervals, or second and third splits, I definitely picked it up slowly all the way to the end. Still ended up at either a really slow run or a really quick jog is what I would call it. So anyway, that went well, got that done. So we are on the road for Saturday. Gonna go get all this on, get this done, get the animals fed and all the stuff done for Saturday. Then we'll head out and go move some stuff. So get that done, and then we'll be on to Sunday. And tomorrow is just my rest day. I do walk, so I walk only in preparation for Saturday or Monday's leg day. So we'll hit that tomorrow and be done with this week. So this week's workouts are done completely. So we are done with week 1. We'll be starting week 2 on Monday with our squat workout. So we'll see you then. You guys take care. Have a great weekend. Get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace, folks. Go do it. All right. We'll see you. You guys take care. Be safe. See ya.